No, no, India is cheaper than Japan.
What is your favorite food in India?
We prefer chapati to curry. Chapati and curry. Shahi curry. Shahi paneer.
Shahi paneer.
Shahi paneer.
And what is your favorite food in India?
Favorite chai.
India, well, of course, people. People in India is the best. But one thing in India, I guess, trash.
सर मैं अजय नौटियाल भारत न्यूज़ लाइव में आप सबका स्वागत करता हूं। कहते हैं सुबह बनारस की और शाम अवध की, और समय सुबह का वक्त है। हम बनारस के घाट पर बैठे हुए हैं, ठंडी ठंडी हवा चल रही है, उसका आनंद ले रहे हैं। बता दें, बनारस में देश ही नहीं विदेशों से भी टूरिस्ट आते हैं, और जब एक बार आते हैं तो यहीं रम जाते हैं। इस समय हमारे साथ जापान से आए दो साथी मौजूद हैं। अभी 2 महीने पहले इनकी शादी हुई है, तो सीधा जानते हैं इनसे कि यहाँ आकर इनको कैसा लगता है और कितना बदलाव देखते हैं। What's your good name? Can you introduce yourself?
Introduce yourself. Okay, I'm from Japan. My name Yusaku. This is our honeymoon. We just married 2 months ago, and actually, I came India once. So this is my second time in India. So last time I was really impressed from this view. So I want her to show this view. That's why I came here.
ये बता रहे हैं कि ये दूसरी बार बनारस से आए हैं, इंडिया आए हैं, बनारस में भी आए हैं, और ये जब भी यहाँ बैठते हैं तो बस बैठे ही रह जाते हैं। यहाँ की जो मोहकता है, जो यहाँ का नज़ारा है, यहाँ की भव्यता है, जो दार्शनिकता है, उससे बस निहारते ही रहते हैं। और अभी इनकी 2 महीने पहले शादी हुई है, तो अपनी धर्मपत्नी जी को भी ये साथ लेकर आए हैं। Kindly introduce yourself and how do you like India?
How do you like? I like this view.
Can you share your name? What is your profession and all?
And all.
Name, profession, what?
My name is Misaki. I worked at accounting office for tax. This is my first time to visit India.
From where?
From where? Japan to Fukuoka. I'm from Fukuoka, Japan.
This is election time. This is election time. Election is going on, and the Prime Minister of India. Do you know the name of Prime Minister of India?
Oh, I'm sorry, I don't know.
You don't know. Let me tell you. The name of the Prime Minister is PM Narendra Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Narendra Modi.
Narendra Modi.
Oh, it's hard to pronounce for me.
He is Prime Minister of India, who is contesting his election from this seat only.
From
A
this
day after tomorrow,
election?
people will vote.
Okay. Now, so India,
This is the seat.
This is the election time.
This is election time of Narendra Modi, who is contesting from Varanasi Lok Sabha seat, and this seat comes under Varanasi.
Honestly, okay.
And day after tomorrow, people will vote. Vote for member of parliament. A member of parliament will elect Prime Minister of India.
Okay.
So PM Narendra Modi is the face of Prime Minister.
Face of Prime Minister.
So that is why the seat is very important. That is why I just want to know, how do you see the relations between Japan and India?
Japan in India.
Do you have any friend from India
Yes,
or not?
Sure, of course, I have. And the nationality, Indian people are very friendly to us, but sometimes I think it's too much. But generally, Indian people are very friendly and very kind, so I love them.
Do you any friends from India or not?
Do you have no friend?
Not because this is your first time.
Yeah, this first time, but
What
I
do
want to friend in India.
Would you like to come again and again?
Yes, of course.
Okay. What have you explored here in India? In terms of food, clothes, have you bought anything or not?
Have you anything?
Have you bought anything? Have you purchased anything from India or not?
なんて? No, not yet. but
Not yet.
not yet. We just see Taj Mahal.
He didn't go you for the shopping because in India women like to do shopping.
Okay.
But what about Japan? The same theory or different theory?
No, not
What do you recommend to buy?
what
do you
what do you
recommend for
recommend?
He didn't take you anywhere for shopping.
Not
He
now
didn't.
so far.
He
Not so far. I do.
You do.
Yeah.
Because in India we say women are shopping friendly.
Shopping friendly.
Friendly.
Uh-huh.
They always like to spend money on different items like clothes, foods, and they always want to let their husband
Oh, okay,
for
okay.
shopping.
Oh, I take
So,
her to shopping.
Is this the same thing which happens in Japan or not?
Yeah, of course. It's
Of course.
same. Yeah, it's like nearly, but the price is everything is cheaper than Japan.
In Japan.
Yeah. In India is very good. It's really
India is
cheap.
costly.
In Japan.
In
Yes.
Japan is cheaper than India.
No. India is cheaper than Japan.
India is cheaper than India.
Yeah.
Then what you have purchased here? What have you bought?
Just food.
Just food.
Just food.
What is your favorite food in India?
Favorite food はチャパティとカリー。
Chapati.
Chapati and curry. Shahi curry. Shahi paneer.
Shahi paneer.
Shahi paneer.
And what is your favorite food in India?
Favorite chai.
Chai.
Chai, yeah.
And in Japan?
And in Japan, sushi.
You can do one thing. When you go to Japan, you can buy a packet of chai patti. We say chai patti.
Chapati.
Chai patti.
Uh-huh.
From which you can make tea in Japan.
No. We can't buy chapati and chai in Japan.
No, you can buy it. You can buy it from India.
From India. To send
And
Japan.
yep.
Ah.
You can buy it from India
Okay.
and explore chai in Japan.
Explore chai.
In Japan.
In Japan. Okay. Okay.
What do you say?
I think the masala spice in India is too hot, too spicy for Japanese.
Okay, I like. Frankly, I would like to one thing as a suggestion because you are our neighbor. You are our guest.
Yes.
We say Atithi Dev Bhava. In Hindi, we say Atithi to our guest,
Our guest.
and we always like to greet. We always like to welcome our.
Welcome.
We say guest is equivalent to God. India. This is our culture. So I just want to know what is the thing that you like. What is the worst thing in India you have observed, and what is the best thing in India you have observed?
in India.
Best and worst both. Best and worst both.
Best and worst. Best thing in India, well, of course, people. People in India is the best. But worst thing in India, I guess, trash. Trash. In Japan is
Cleanliness. You meant to say
Yes.
cleanliness.
Yeah.
I would. मैं अपने सहयोगी से कहूँगा वो डस्ट दिखाए घाट पे. नीचे वो दिखाए.
compared.
हमारे सहयोगी बता रहे थे कि जो इंडिया के बारे में इंडिया ने बहुत अच्छा लगता है. लोग बहुत अच्छे हैं यहाँ के. जो कह रहे हैं कि पीपल हैं यहाँ के बहुत अच्छे हैं. लोग बहुत अच्छे हैं. और जो चीज़ अखड़ती है उन्हें यहाँ का जाम, ट्रैफिक की व्यवस्थाएं और जो गंदगी का अंबार जो लगा हुआ है वो उनको बहुत अखड़ती है. अब इनकी जो धर्मपत्नी जी हैं उनसे भी हम जान लेते हैं. व्हाट इज द बेस्ट थिंग एंड द वर्स्ट थिंग
First thing
यू हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड इन इंडिया?
in India, best. I think also Indian people is very good, very friendly and very kindly people.
वेरी
Very kindly,
हंग्री.
kind.
Okay,
kind
thank-
people. Yeah,
Kind people.
kind people. Yeah. But
And worst,
and worst, I Indian food is too spicy for me. Too spicy. なんだろう。I eat. This area.
Pardon?
This area.
Diarrhea.
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 I have diarrhea. But it's too spicy.
ये बता रही है कि इनको इंडिया के लोग बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, बहुत फ्रेंडली हैं, बहुत मिलनसार हैं, बड़े हेल्पफुल हैं। लेकिन जब खान पान की बात आती है तो कहती है खान पान जो है बहुत मसालेदार है और वो खा खा के इनका पेट खराब हो गया है। पीपल आर वेरी 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 काइंड हार्टेड इन जापान, दे आर वेरी गुड।
Yeah.
But this is what we think about Japan. When Japan pictures comes to our mind, we remember Nagasaki and Hiroshima
Yeah.
and many earthquakes. Japan have faced each and every time such kind of earthquake
That's
and stand again and again.
okay.
This is the strongness. This is strongness of Japan. This is the courageousness of Japan.
And rest. Yes.
We learn. So what is the reason? What is the reason behind all these things?
What is that?
What is the reason behind all these things? Japanese people are very brave. They always face earthquakes and all.
Hey, Sonu.
They have faced Hiroshima and Nagasaki, but they came out from all these struggling period. And what I will say, this is the beauty of Japan. This is the beauty of Japan.